You love making music, but are you getting frustrated relying on others to help you get it done? You're not alone. Hey there, I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed lonely rocker. I produce TV commercials for a living, but I decided to combine my passions and produce videos devoted to the basement rockers of the world. It all started with an attempt to record and mix one song, and then I fell down the rabbit hole. That's when this became this. I practically live in my studio. Well, that's not completely true. I have a beautiful family with 2 young boys, so I'm constantly exploring ways to make music more efficiently and of course sound better. I've made a ton of mistakes along the way, but you don't have to. Maybe you're looking to start or improve your own home studio, or just searching for your own musical outlet. This channel is for you. In true lonely rocker style, all of the content on this channel, whether it be picture, music, or sound, was created with these. And is a testament that we can all find our musical outlet if we really try. I've got a ton of home studio resources, collaborations with really talented people, awesome gear and software reviews, and so much more. And I only feature things that I like. Criticizing is opinion, not fact. If I don't like something, it just won't appear on this channel. To join the Lonely Rocker revolution, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Remember, you don't need a band to rock and roll. There are a lot of great musical projects you can do by yourself, right from your own home. I hope to see you soon, right here on The Lonely Rocker.